In today's interest rate markets, let's take a look at the 10-year note futures as they're trading lower today. 10-year note futures trading lower now for a second session. Today we're looking at the futures market trading down to the 112.23 handle, which is the low end of the range for today and the low end of the range for the week. It's basically where we saw the market open on Monday, so we're back down towards those lows from Monday, which also correspond with 1 week lows when you look at the price action here over the past week. So we're back towards the recent lows. Driving factors today, Fed officials talking policy and indicating that they're not convinced that they're going to cut in December. There's yet to be determined based on a lot of discussions over the last couple of days. And that's shifting the dynamic. Now it's about a 50-50 spread in the CME FedWatch tool as to a cut in December. We're seeing that shift quite dramatically here over the past week. So I think that's one of the factors contributing to selling pressure. Couple that with auctions throughout the week. We had a 10-year auction yesterday that was a little bit weak in demand. 30-year auction today, similar type of storyline. And I think that's another contributing factor as to why we're seeing yields moving higher, prices moving lower. Now looking at the 10-year yield, it is up 3.5 basis points today to 410 basis points. And we're seeing the yield curve moving higher across the entire curve and a little bit steeper. The back end of the curve is selling off a little bit more. Those 20s and 30s are up 4.5 to 5 basis points. Where we're seeing the two up about 3 basis points, 2.5 to 3 basis points. So higher yields across the entire curve today. But overall, we are seeing, again, a little bit of a steepening with that 10-year note now trading back down towards where we started the week, which also corresponds with a 1 week low.